Look like a fucking transformer.
You motherfucker. This is mine. I baby the hell out of it.
In this video, we're going to be installing Lambo doors on the Mustang. As you can see here, we got the Lambo door kit. Some heavy-ass hinges here. We're going to be putting on the door, and these doors are going to be going up. All right, we are on our way to the shop now. We're going to see if they can install the Lambo doors. Hopefully today, they can install the Lambo doors. That would be pretty badass if they can do it. Man, there's a ton of traffic at 8 a.m. We're almost to the shop. We're definitely not getting on the fucking highway though. Look at that. Even the frontage road is full of traffic, but we're almost there. We're about 1 mile away from the shop. GTR. Got here just in time for a startup too. We just got to the shop. Bring your own parts. Maybe I'm biased, but I like that color. Can't go wrong with the orange.
I mean, it looks awesome. Looks like a bird with both of them up.
I'm excited to see it.
Yeah. They didn't show me how to do it. So when you close it, in other words, you just like that. And you see how easy it closes and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't want to close it with your hand because you're going to move the adjustment. And I don't even want to mess with it. I'm going to ask him, how do you get it up? Because I didn't see that part. He just showed me the closing part. What the instruction is. How you doing, sir? Okay,
good,
so
how are you?
Can't open it all the way.
All right.
Yeah. So it just goes about like right there.
All right.
And then up. Pretty much like that.
That looks tight.
Yeah. So yeah, all that stuff, it won't stay in here now because when you open it,
It'll just fall out.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
And then when you go down, what's the procedure there? Yeah, just a reverse order. So that is. Okay. You just pull it from the handle. Yeah, you can put it from the handle in there. Okay, yeah, because of course you're going to be in the car, right? You're going to be in the car, yeah. So it has the option to open it normal too, so he's not always going up and down.
Yeah.
I take it only goes to there. Like, okay, but still, I mean, if you don't want it, the less you use it, I mean, of course, the less wear it's going to have.
Yeah.
So yeah, when you close it, you kind of want to just make sure that it's down all the way, because if you
don't want to be
a little bit at the same time, it's gonna bang hard. You know.
Gotcha. So make sure it's all the way down.
Make sure it's all the way down, and it's kind of just,
Yeah. Sweet.
And I don't even think you have. I didn't even hold it. I just kind of moved it in. Yeah, just make sure it's down and.
All right.
The other one.
Are you gonna push this in here?
That's sick.
Which what?
Are we gonna push that in here?
Yeah, what is it? What is this one?
Huh?
What is it? For what?
Transmission issue.
Oh, yeah. You need a memory card for that.
Oh yeah, I got it in the trunk somewhere.
So right there you were a little bit off. But
Yeah.
You got it.
There we go.
Yeah, it looks like a bird. An orange bird. And you can open the hood too at the same time with the doors all the way up.
You can open it up
It
too?
won't interfere with that.
All right.
I thought it would, but it doesn't.
That's good. Yes, it is. You see it?
No. Oh. I thought I saw that at the gas station.
You saw?
I didn't saw him.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I got a new dash cam.
That's a new dash cam. You
Yeah.
wanna check it out? You gotta go open the door to the. Ain't open shit.
See up there? It's wired right in through the battery, so there's no more wires hanging. Pretty cool, huh? You see it right here? And it records while you're parked.
Oh fuck!
But yeah.
How much
look,
was that?
300. But yeah, take a look inside.
Oh, you hit the fucking door.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, man.
I just got the doors done too with the new dash cam.
Ah, yeah, that's nice. I like that shit, man.
Hell yeah. I love it, man. Let me open up this side too, make it match.
You get in easy.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah.
You did it?
No, I took it to a shop.
We don't want the door falling off.
Hell no. Oh yeah, man, I just got it back today. That's why I've been driving my wife's car.
Looks like a fucking transformer, right?
Yeah, for real.
Right there, yeah. That shit looks like a transformer.
Hell yeah.
Sweet.
Damn you, bumper. One day I'll get that fixed. I got the replacement grill and I got the replacement shin splitter. I'm just waiting on the final bottom splitter to show up, and I'll put all three on at once. And then I'm going to get a quick release put on here so it doesn't keep popping off. So it'll just be like a little button I can hit, take it off, put it on. But yeah, she's coming together. I got a nice wing coming too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's going to be badass. Big carbon fiber wing on the back.
Yeah.
They'll really transform the whole car with the front end redone and the doors up. So I'm excited. You ready to see what I got inside? What do you think it is? What do you think I got inside there?
On the side.
Yeah, what you think I got?
I can't tell.
You can't tell? Well, let me open the door for you. See if you can see it.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Hell yeah. I just got that shit put on yesterday.
Man, you gotta help me get it on my car, bro. Come on, man.
Hey, come look at this.
Man.
Oh, yeah,
Fuck, man. Come on, bro. You gonna have to show me how to get it on. How?
Hell
What
yeah.
I'm looking at?
It was easy, man. Took like 2 hours a door, like 4 hours total.
Say, bro, we gotta do it, man. How much you gonna charge me, bro? Come on, bro. You know I can't hand down. You gotta help me, bro.
Bro, all you gotta do is pop out the fender and put on the new bolts.
This motherfucker.
Oh yeah?
Show me how to do it the right way.
Well, you just go straight up and straight down. So you got open all the way and then it goes up. See that shit?
This motherfucker.
Yeah, you gotta put it all the way down before you close it. And there you go.
Open it all the way out.
And then lift up. Hell yeah.
1,400?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I actually paid a shop. It was $1,500 put on.
Oh no, that's out of my league.
Hell no, not with that attitude. Get that firm going, man.
That's what I gotta do. God, look at this motherfucker. Hey, P. Come here real quick.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why. It doesn't want to open all the way.
No, look, all that shit's different, man. She even got a brace jerk.
Oh shit. Unless it's meant for.
I've never seen that shit
Unless
before.
it's like some kind of crash-ready car.
Recording. 2 channels started.
Yeah, I don't even know if it's in fucking neutral or
Yeah,
not.
it's one of those really, really stiff ones, man. That's all.
You figure you would take care of this damn thing a little bit better now.
Yeah.
I'm kind of dirty inside. This was mine, I begged
He
it.
posts videos. He has a YouTube little thing right here and a fucking TikTok fucking logo right here.
Yeah.
It's Redbeard 47.
If this was mine, I'd baby the hell out of it.
Yo, so I have a buddy of mine who's concerned about the car leaking water whenever it rains. He thinks the door's going to leak whenever it rains, so we are here at the car wash. We're going to see if it leaks. So far, I see no water coming inside the car. which is a very good sign. Yeah, it looks like the seal's holding up good. Well, if you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more. And we got more coming to the Mustang very soon. We're going to get the front end redone. We got a big ass wing coming, so make sure you subscribe so you can see that when it comes in. This car is going to be even more badass than it is right now. Later.
Red beard in the lane, got a grin like trouble. Mustang GT curve, make the whole block buckle. Chrome on the corners, paint like a fire alarm. He don't roll, he crowds, got a wild kind of charm. I seen him kill a turn like he owed the money. Big V8 talk, make the night feel funny. Hand on the wheel, eyes cold, jaw stared. Every intersection nervous when he pulls that step. Hold up, here we go. Girl and dancing, putting on a show. One quick move.